How to find Revolut ACH routing number. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Revolut ACH routing number. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Revolut application on your device. You will be led to the Revolut home screen. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the account details option under your profile tab. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see your account number, your ACH routing number, and other details. You can also copy the number by tapping on the copy button, or you can tap on the share option and share your details with other people. So, this is how you can find Revolut ACH routing number. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.